We're going into the final third of the year. It's September already. This is when you need to get things done to propel your business forward. Did you take all the right actions during the shutdown? Is your business still positioned in your market as the authority? Or did you take a defensive approach? Well, right now, you have a chance. It's crunch time. It's time to make the rest of the year the best of your year. So stay tuned for that. No matter the approach you took earlier this year, there are 5 things you need to do now during crunch time to make this the best part of the year for you. Number 1, revamp your website. Your website should have a conversion-focused strategy. It should be designed to do one thing: get a visitor to identify with your brand and take an action to engage with you. Do you want to know what that looks like? Do you want to see all the things that need to go into your homepage? Take a look at this video up here. We'll take you through the 5 things every website homepage should have to successfully convert the right visitor into a prospective customer, client, or patient. Have your offers changed? Does your website accurately reflect what it is that you offer and what you want people to purchase from you? Have you developed a search engine optimization strategy, a content-driven strategy where that your website shows up in top placement in Google? Yes, SEO takes time, so you really need to start now. Revamping your website, first step in crunch time. Number 2, nurture your past clients and friends. Do you have nurture sequences in place, email marketing in place that will keep your brand in front of past customers and friends of your brand so that they'll engage and buy from you in this crunch time? You want to get those people that know you and know your brand to be reminded of how great you are so that they will engage with you in this last few months of the year. Now is the time to build yourself as the authority with nurture marketing. Number 3, how's your reputation? Are you perceived as the best of the best? Do the sites that rate businesses like yours think of you as the best? Places like Healthgrades, Yelp, Angie's List, Google. What kind of ratings do you have? Do you have 5 stars? Or do you have 5 people giving you 2-star reviews? Look at those right now and make an effort to work on your reputation. And this is a really good time. You may have done some nice things, some gestures for some clients that may have been struggling before. Well, contact them, ask them for a review, send them to where you want them to go so that you can work on those 5-star reputation ratings. Number 4, you need to scrub that email list. When you're sending out emails in your nurture series or requests to build your reputation, you want to make sure that these are going to the right people. They're going to people that are actively engaged with your brand. This is a great time to clean up that email list and opt out those that you really don't want to send to, that haven't engaged with you in a very long time. Back all of those up and then delete them from your marketing automation system, or just choose to opt them out. And number 5, you need to build a well thought out sales funnel. That is, when somebody engages with you and purchases this product or service, what is the next thing they're going to purchase? And the next thing after that? A well-defined sales funnel is going to drive your email marketing efforts. Those that purchased item B will then be offered item C. Those that purchased item A will then be offered item B. You work through this to ensure that you have a well thought out series of steps from one offering to the next so that your marketing efforts can be in line with those based on where a customer is in their buying journey with you. And that's it. Do those 5 things right now. This is a crunch time for you. It's September. The end of the year is going to be here before you know it. What are you going to do to make the rest of this year the best of this year? If you want to get a download of everything I discussed right now, I have a link to a document in the show notes below. You can click on that link and download the 5 things you need to do during crunch time. Or you can give us a call. Again, in the show notes, there's a phone number there you can call, and we'll send this to you. We really want you to be successful this latter part of the year. Following these clear 5 steps will ensure that you're getting the most out of your marketing when it matters most in this crunch time. I appreciate your time today. Thanks for watching. If you like what you heard, Please subscribe and click the bell. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.